Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Boost Mobile as compared to Verizon Mobile and which carrier is better for you. Let's dive right in. So first things first, I'd like to point out when it comes to coverage, Verizon is known for having one of the best network coverages in the US. It offers an amazing 4G LTE and 5G network across urban, suburban, and rural areas, as compared to Boost Mobile, which has a slightly weaker network coverage and it may not have good connection in some rural areas. Now, when we discuss pricing, Boost Mobile is generally more affordable and more affordable for budget conscious customers. They have very good plans, including unlimited talk, text, and data plans starting at around $25 per month. Whereas Verizon is known for being more expensive, but Verizon does offer fast, reliable 4G LTE speeds, including 5G network, which is rapidly expanding, as compared to Boost Mobile, which has a slightly slower speed, but again, it is considered a good speed. Now, when it comes to plans, Verizon offers long annual contracts, whereas Boost Mobile is known for its flexible prepaid plans and it does not hassle people with annual contracts. So, if we're going to be talking about good service, fast, reliable data, in my opinion, Verizon would be the choice. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly type of carrier, in that case, Boost Mobile would be the option for you. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.